Hey guys, welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how I made this easy, simple, delicious steamed snapper. I have 2 yellowtail snappers here and I'm seasoning it up with my It's Lit lemon pepper and my cayenne pepper. The cayenne pepper is kind of optional. I just wanted it extra spicy and that's why I added it. Y'all already know if you purchase my spice, you know it's spot on. You don't even need salt when you use my lemon pepper. So that's pretty much it. That's all I'm putting on the fish, and you want to get it everywhere, inside out, underneath, top, bottom. Look at me, just I had to do it. Come on, Peter, don't come after me, okay? But this is It's Lit lemon pepper. It's currently on sale for 30% off, as well as some other items, so check out the link below. So now I'm just gonna start cooking off everything. I'm gonna start melting off my butter. Once the butter is nice and melted, I'm going to add my shallots. Now, this was about 2 large shallots. If you feel like your shallots are way too small, just use 3. Because this is pretty much like the base of your sauce, in my opinion. So I'm going to saute this down for about 3 to 5 minutes just to get it nice and caramelized a little bit. And then next, I'm going to add poblano pepper, cherry tomatoes, and you want to mix that up and cook that down again for another 5 minutes. My heat is on medium. You don't want it too low, but you don't want it high. I don't think my stove even have numbers, but I think medium is like number 4 for anyone that really needs to know the number on the stove. I'm going to add some garlic paste as well as some ginger paste, and I'm going to cook that down again for another 2 to 3 minutes just to get everything nice and incorporated. And now we have to season this up, right? And the only spice I'm using is the It's Lit lemon pepper. I'm not using nothing else because I want y'all to see I'm not joking. But that, along with the ginger and the garlic, of course, just created this amazing broth. I added some water to thin everything out. Look at that, because we cooked down the garlic, the ginger, the shallots. It immediately, you know, like thickened up, got some body to it. There's no flour in here. There's nothing going on. Just, you know, being patient and cooking everything down, and this is what you get. So now I'm going to add my fish down in here. Honestly, you could use any fish. Literally, you could use snapper, you could use salmon. I've never cooked catfish this way, so I'm not going to tell you to do that, but snapper, salmon, even shrimp, lobster, they can all be put down into this broth and cooked down. Every 5 minutes, I basted the fish. I didn't flip it. I just basted the fish and covered it and let it cook for about 15-20 minutes. All right, and this is the final base where, you know, I'm just going to keep putting the sauce all over the fish. First of all, y'all, that lemon pepper with the ginger and the garlic and the shallots and the butter, like I can't. And it's so easy and simple. You literally cannot mess this up, literally. If you like mussels, shrimp, lobster, any shellfish can go down into the sauce as well. It's very universal. Again, it just takes some patience. You gotta let it cook down. But look how amazing this looks. And y'all, that shallot with that lemon pepper against that flaky fish, like, I can't even tell y'all how delicious this was. And I ate this with quinoa. That's a quinoa brown rice mix is what I had with it. And that was dinner, and just, you know, it was just so delicious and so good. I'm definitely gonna make this again with maybe salmon. Y'all know salmon got us in a chokehold right now. So I'm gonna probably make this again with some salmon. Look how flaky, and look at, child, I know I'm good for cooking some good old fish, honey. And you ain't gotta fry fish, you know, to enjoy it, you know. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your support. Don't forget, I have a huge sale going on. My water bottles are now $5. I have a $5 sale on the water bottles. I have Spice Girl, which is also 30% off. Of course, the It's Lit lemon pepper is 30% off. And I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.